Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to the course Social Network Analysis. I hope all of you are excited to learn a subject that plays an important role in artificial intelligence, data science, cyber security, marketing analytics, healthcare, and many other domains. So our course code is 23AD029 Social Network Analysis. And then our subject is an free credit subject which is having the lecture periods, 2 periods per week, and also having the practical hours 2 hours per week, and the total contact hours is 60. So before we begin the technical concept, let me ask you a simple question. How many of you use WhatsApp every day, and how many of you use Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn? Almost everyone uses all these social media platforms. Have you ever wondered why YouTube recommends certain videos, why Instagram shows particular reels, and why Facebook suggests people you may know, or how LinkedIn recommends professionals in your field? So these recommendations are not random. They are generated by analyzing the relationship among millions of users. That is exactly what we study in social network analysis. In simple words, social network analysis is the process of studying relationship between entities. These entities can be people, organizations, computers, web pages, research pages, or even biological systems. We represent these relationships using graphs and then analyze them using algorithms and mathematical models. This course is designed to help you understand how networks are formed, how they grow, how information spreads through them, and how we can extract useful knowledge from them. So, and the course objective is import knowledge to analyze graph features, apply graph network models, implement algorithms, and develop social mining applications. So, under course structure is our course having 2 modules, and every week you will have the 2 hours of theory and 2 hours of practical sessions, making a total of 60 hours. In the module 1, fundamentals of network modeling and analysis. So this module is the foundation of the entire course. Before analyzing social networks, we must understand what a network actually is. Imagine our classroom. Every student is a node. Whenever two students know each other or communicate, we draw a line connecting them. These connecting lines are called edges. The complete collection of nodes and edges form a graph. This graph becomes a network. Everything around us can be represented as a network. Road networks connect cities, computer networks connect devices, airline networks connect airports, power grids connect electrical stations, social media networks connect people. So so the first topic of this module is graph essentials, and next one is the graph representation. So once we understand graphs, the next question is how do we store them inside a computer? There are three common representations: adjacency matrix, adjacency list, and also an edge list. So and the next concept is types of graph. Not every graph is the same. Some graphs have direction, some have weights, some can be connected or disconnected. So we will understand all these type of graphs in practical examples. And next one is our graph algorithms. So after creating the graphs, we need algorithms to analyze them. So the different types of algorithms comes under the graph algorithms concept. So the next one is the network measures. One of the most interesting topics in this module is network measures. Suppose a company wants to identify the most influencer customer for marketing. How will they do it? Simply counting the number of friends is not just enough. Different measures are used. So all these types of measure can be studied under network measures. And the next one is the network properties. So we will study the properties of all the network, which is reciprocity, balance and status, and also similarity. So the next concept is network models. Here we are having different types of network models, and each model we are studying the different types of measures for understanding the social media, how they behave, they are different from their behavior. So this is the overall structure of the module 1. And the next one is the module 2, which is on social network analysis and mining. So this module beyond smooth graph structures and focus on extracting knowledge from social network data. Suppose you have millions of tweets or Facebook posts, how can we analyze them and how can we identify meaningful information? That is where the social network mining begins. Here we are studying about the community detection and also information diffusion, herd behavior and information cascades, diffusion of innovations, epidemics, influence and homophily, recommendation system. So all these types are used to analyze the network models. It means it is used for extracting knowledge from the social networks. And the final course outcomes are, by end of the course you will able to analyze graph structure, evaluate different models, apply community detection techniques and design models for information diffusions. So and our subject having the practical sessions with the 6 experiments. So here we will implement the algorithms to calculate degree centrality and page rank, cluster Twitter data sets, etc. So these are the list of experiments in our subject. So the final course outcome is this. At the end of the course, we can analyze the graph structure, evaluate different models, apply community detection, and skills are highly relevant for careers in artificial intelligence, data science, cyber security, business analytics, and research. So to conclude, this course is much more than learning graphs. It teaches you how to understand relationship hidden within data and how those relationships drive the intelligence system we use every day. Throughout this semester, we will combine theory with practical implementation, discuss real-world case studies, and work on datasets that reflect current social network applications. So I encourage you to participate actively in our class. So and these are the references and textbooks and web references for our syllabus. So thank you and I look forward to learning with all of you throughout this semester. Thank you dear students.